Without this combination, I'm not the best version of myself. And I am starving now, so I'm gonna have a little snack. I have been making this little drink since Valentine's Day. It is so cute and it's such a cute little way just to spice up your little morning drink, put a little smile on your face and feel cute. Love this beet powder. I've also been using it as like natural food coloring for a lot of Kylo's treats and food that we've been making him, like pink tan cakes and pink muffins, just stuff like that. But anyways, I just dropped Kylo off at school. I have a huge like batch content filming day today. I'm gonna film so much content. I think I'm filming like 4 videos, some Instagram reels, so it's gonna be a lot. So I normally don't eat my first meal this early. It's 9:30. I just made my matcha and I'm gonna have my first meal. So we're gonna make just some like super easy quick chicken tacos. I prefer having ground beef on hand. So what I like to do is batch make a large amount of ground beef. And then that is like a good meat option for my breakfast. Turkey bacon is also another meat option, but I don't have any. So I always like to have some decent ingredient sort of option of some sort of frozen chicken in the freezer for times like this when I'm low on fresh ground beef or turkey bacon. I will use frozen chicken. You're always gonna get higher protein when you use something like ground beef or turkey, but yeah, that's still a good option if you're out of those two. So that's what I'm doing today. So good. Probably could have done without this piece, but I made it, so I'm gonna eat it. Some healthy fats. I absolutely love this sauce. It is so good and it's pretty clean. Like these are the ingredients. There's really nothing bad in it. It tastes so good. It is perfect on tacos, burrito bowls, everything. And it's low calorie. It is delish. A lot of the times I will do this same meal but with ground beef or with the pre-cooked steak from Costco. Like regardless, just some sort of meal prepped meat option that's super easy. But my last minute choice when I don't have any on hand is definitely this chicken. And it's just such an easy breakfast. Like y'all, I have not been craving like actual breakfast foods. Like I've been just wanting something like this. So I have not had a traditional breakfast in a while. Okay, sorry y'all, I'm in my robe because I'm about to color my hair and film some content, but I totally forgot to take my supplements. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I take because this is the best I have ever felt. I had my supplement routine down to like 90%, but there was something missing. And it was that I was still feeling like a little bit irritable and low on patience, especially before my period, which if you've seen my last vlog, I talked about how much this has helped me tremendously. Like this has been a absolute game changer, but there was still like a little piece of me where I'm just like, why am I still feeling a little moody and a little irritated? Oh, I definitely could have probably upped my dose on this, but I had remember my husband raving about this. This is basically called like the happy pill. Although my doctor did say it's more for people who experience like sadness or depression, this definitely helps. And so that's why I never really took it because she always kind of said that. And I was like, sadness and depression is not really my issue. My issue tends to be more like anxiety and like irritability. fertility issues. So I never took it, but my husband was like, it's not just for that. Like, listen to me, you should try it. And I was like, okay. I never kind of listened because of what my doctor said. But after taking all of these, and I was feeling like 90% amazing, but just felt like, again, there was a little piece of that puzzle missing. Like I just still felt a little bit irritated the week before my period, and it would last like a week and a half. So it felt like 2 weeks pretty much, which is almost half of the month. So like half of the month, you're kind of moody and irritable. Again, this saved me, but there was a little bit missing. So I decided to add 5-HTP into the mix, and I can't even tell you, like, I'm not even joking. Like my husband made a comment the other day. He didn't even know that I started taking this. I just started taking it and I was like, let's just see. He's like, whoa, like, why are you so jolly lately? Like, you're so jolly, it's actually scary. Because I'm just naturally not a jolly person. Like, you know what I mean? I'm just naturally not. But I've just been like on cloud 9 lately. Like cloud 9, so patient, so calm. That was the week before my period. Imagine this, the week before your period, patient, jolly, calm. Like what? No. So let me show you guys everything I've been taking. I have been taking my progesterone oil. This has been incredible. Saved my absolute life. Like without this, I am a absolute rage fest the week before my period, like raging to the point where it's actually like unhealthy, like something's wrong. Legit, I'm not even trying to be funny, something's wrong. There's like this thing where, well, naturally, like before you get your period, you tend to be low on progesterone, but I have just like even like extra low on progesterone, which causes me to just be extremely irritable and have like rage issues. This has helped me so much. So I'm not taking this today because I actually just finished my period. So you're only supposed to take this the day that you ovulate. So basically like day 15 of your cycle, or just whenever you ovulate. I have a good 28 to 30 day cycle. So I usually take this on day 15 of my cycle, and then I stop the day that I get my period. So what I've been taking every single day is magnesium glycinate, but it's chelated, which basically I think means, I could be wrong, I'll write it on the screen if I'm wrong, but I think it just means that it digests way better. And I honestly noticed a difference. I've taken another brand recently, and I noticed that this one makes me sleep even deeper. Like I just noticed a huge difference with this one. So I don't think I'm gonna buy any other brand and any other type other than this one going forward, honestly. Like this one is the best quality I've tried. The biggest difference I noticed with this is my quality of sleep. So I take 2 of these in the morning. So I'll take about 2 right now, and then I will take 2 at night. That's just what this bottle recommends. 2 tablets twice per day. Then I will take inositol. Inositol helps me a lot with, again, my mood support. So a lot of the supplements I take is for mood, which magnesium helps your mood as well. But you will notice that my little supplement cocktail is all around mood, because I'm gonna be real with you guys, I struggle a lot with like irritability and also just the need to like control things and like OCD a little bit. Like I struggle a lot with that. So inositol helps a lot with your mood, but it also is for my cycle. If I don't take this, I notice that I get crampy before my period. I'll also get a little bit nauseated before my period, headaches. Like this just helps my whole cycle run really well. And again, notice a huge difference in my mood. Listen, I have literally, guys, been trying to find the perfect supplement cocktail for myself probably for about a year and a half, maybe 2 years now. And I would try, like I would take inositol, then I would take it away and only do ashwagandha and see if I noticed a difference. I'm telling you, I'm at the point where I know this combination is literally what saves me, because I have gone months without inositol before and I was a little bit moody, like a little bit of that moodiness came back. Then I added inositol back in and stopped my ashwagandha, and then I noticed the moodiness and anxiety come back. Like I have tried to take away certain supplements to see, can I live without it? Do I absolutely need this? These are the supplements that I need, because without this combination, I'm not the best version of myself. I have deficiencies that cause me to feel, you know, negative side effects. So magnesium glycinate, specifically the chelated. Then I will take 1 inositol. I need my ashwagandha. I just need it. If there was one thing, like someone was like, you can only have 1 supplement, like literally, I would have to pick this one. Even though I have tried to only stay on ashwagandha without the 5-HTP and without the inositol, and there is a missing puzzle piece. Like this combination gives me 100%, but this at least gives me 80%. Like I couldn't do just this without the ashwagandha. Absolutely need it to survive. Without it, I'm not a Zen person, okay? It's so funny, like I sound like an addict right now, but I always say to my husband, like, it's so important for us to take our supplements. People don't get judged for needing their coffee every morning. People don't get judged for drinking so much alcohol every week or even every weekend. Nobody judges that. But you say that you need like a couple supplements and people are like, oh, you need those? Like you can't be a person without them? Yeah, because our bodies are going to naturally have deficiencies. Anyways, then I add on my 5-HTP because like I said, I felt like something was still missing and I added this in, and just a huge game changer. So that's pretty much it. But I will say I actually recently just started taking beef liver pills because my doctor recommended that I take it. She said it's one of the most nutrient dense things and we just don't eat beef liver, so I take it in pills. So I'll show you the ones that I'm taking, but this is basically my little supplement cocktail that saves me. I'll keep dropping them. It's so funny because if I miss like a few days of my combination right here, I notice a difference. I can definitely miss like a day or two, but after 2 days, I start to notice a difference. And my doctor actually always recommends me kind of like taking little breaks here and there from my ashwagandha, especially so that my body doesn't get too desensitized to it. Like, I don't know if I'm using the right word, but you kind of want to take those breaks, and I do that. So I will like not take my supplements for like 2 to 3 days. What I will do at night, I will take 2 more of these, and then I'll take my lavender pill. I'll show you guys. This I will take at night because my doctor recommended it to me. She said there's been a lot of recent studies being done by a lot of doctors and naturopaths where they are putting lavender head to head with anxiety medication. Like, they're comparing the two, putting it head to head and seeing how it performs. And she said that the lavender pill is performing like 98% the same as the anxiety pill. I'm not a doctor, so make sure you talk to your doctor. Specifically, talk to a doctor that's very functional medicine minded or a naturopath. I mean, if you talk to a regular doctor, they're always pro medicine. Okay, always talk to your doctor. Don't just take it from me. Don't just stop taking your anxiety medication. I'm not a doctor here. But the fact that this can literally replace your anxiety medication, it's not a joke. Like, this helps so much. The perfect cocktail for me, supplement cocktail, all natural, not alcohol cocktail. The perfect supplement cocktail for me is this in the morning and then this at night. Why this at night? Because my doctor says it's really nice at night because it is anti-anxiety. It's gonna help you sleep a lot better. If you find yourself waking up at night sometimes and just having a lot of thoughts racing in your head, this has actually been known to help you have better quality sleep, but it's not drowsy. Like, it will not make you drowsy. I could take this right now. It's not going to make you fall asleep. It's just going to make you have better quality sleep, just like magnesium. Again, why? Because it's removing that anxiety aspect. Like, you're able to have a good deep sleep without having all those anxious thoughts running through your head. But I also just noticed when I take this at night, it's nice because I wake up in the morning with my mood stabilized. If I only take this in the morning, I tend to wake up a little bit on the edge. You know what I mean? And then I have to like wait until I eat and then wait until I take my supplements. Whereas when I take this at night, I wake up feeling good. I wanted to share this with you guys because I know a lot of you guys struggle and ask me like, what do I take for anxiety and sort of like irritability, just mood stability, especially if you're a mom, guys. Oh my God. Kyla was probably like, thank you, Jesus. Because this has just made me like so much more of a calm, patient mom. And I just feel like I am my best version of myself. And the fact that you could do that naturally without needing to take like medication. And you know what? Let's just talk about how amazing it is to have the self-awareness to know like, hey, something's not right with me. I think I need some help. And also research these things, take the lead to find what works holistically and naturally. Oh, also you guys, I just recently started doing this mainly purely from just like a health perspective. This has nothing to really do too much with my mood. This is more just like from a nutrient perspective. My doctor said that beef liver is so nutrient dense, which I've always known, but I've always just hated eating it. And this is incredible for your energy levels. This is, I think, only my 3rd day taking it. I have noticed a difference so far, but I've read that you need to be consistent with it for about a week or 2 to notice a large difference. So we will see, but I just started taking this. This one is grass-fed and pasture raised. And I think it was the cheapest one I could find for this quality on Amazon. It also had 700 mg per pill versus the other brands that were more expensive and only had 500 mg per pill. So this was a good brand. I'll link this exact one down below. You have to take 6 of these, which is kind of wild. I also don't know if this is something you need to take every day for the rest of your life, or if this is something you can just take 1 month and kind of like cycle through it. I'll talk to my doctor and ask, but yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys. Also, she did mention that if you are trying to get pregnant, this is really good to take before that because it really helps to pump your body with all those nutrients during conception. But if you are pregnant, definitely don't recommend taking this because beef liver is very high in vitamin A. But if you are trying to conceive and you're TTCing right now, beef liver is really good. I would even get your husband on it because you gotta get the sperm right. What is going on with me? Like, I feel like this video went from a what I eat a day to a rant about supplements and holistic approach. Oh my God, I'm sorry guys. Okay, y'all, I have been filming content like crazy and I am starving now, so I'm gonna have a little snack. I really don't have snacks often, but when I do, I always make sure that it's at least a super high protein snack. So I've really been loving these right now. The Chomps beef pepperoni sticks. Oh my God, they're so good. Kylo loves them as well. They are grass-fed and finished. 4 grams of protein, 45 calories. So they're a nice little like snack just to hold you off because it's kind of early for me to eat dinner. It's only 2 o'clock. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I like breaking up my meals into only 2 meals a day. I don't like eating too many meals in a day. It's too much work. Okay, it's too much work. Getting into the kitchen and having to like put together a 3rd meal sounds like absolute hell. Okay, if we're being honest. It's too much work, too much dishes. I've always liked to just eat 2 meals a day. These are so good, guys. So good. I am also going to snack on some strawberries while I finish up my work before I go pick up Kylo.